Chapter 13 of To Kill a Mockingbird shifts focus to life inside the Finch household. Aunt Alexandra comes to live with the Finch family, a decision that leaves Scout feeling a bit disconcerted. Aunt Alexandra, Atticus's sister, is described as stern, demanding, and oppressive, especially in her disapproval of Scout's behavior and conduct. She believes in the traditional Southern feminine identity and feels it is her responsibility to teach Scout how to become a proper Southern lady. Aunt Alexandra also strongly believes in the Finch family traditions and heredity. She insists on the children knowing all about their gentle breeding and asserts that their family is superior to others in the town. She even tells Atticus that it was wrong to let the children run around with the Negroes. Aunt Alexandra's traditional beliefs bring about conflict with her brother Atticus, who does not subscribe to such prejudices. Without consulting his children, Atticus agrees to have Aunt Alexandra stay, as he argues they may need female influence. She becomes a female figure in the home, something that Scout is not used to having. Although Aunt Alexandra's presence is unsettling for Scout, it signals a dramatic change in their domestic life, bringing a female authority figure into it. She also tries to fit in with the society ladies of Maycomb, organizing tea parties and participating in the missionary society. However, she finds it challenging to fit into the rumors and gossip which are popular in Maycomb women's social circles. The growing tensions between Scout and Aunt Alexandra form the conflict at the heart of this chapter. Aunt Alexandra imposes her ideas and rules on Scout, but she, due to her independent nature, refuses to change her ways. Her arrival introduces the importance of social classes and family legacy in the Maycomb community and takes Scout's understanding of her town and its people to a more complex level.